How to fix incoming call not coming. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix incoming call not coming. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, you can simply restart your phone. To do that, you can simply press and release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, and long press on the side button. Doing that, your iPhone will simply restart. Now, a simple restart can resolve many software glitches that might be affecting your calls. After doing that, if it still does not fix your problem, you can toggle on the airplane mode. Simply turn it on and turn it off again to refresh your phone's network connection. Also check if your do not disturb or focus mode is turned on. So you can simply check if it's not turned on, great. If it is, simply turn it off. After doing that, make sure you have a good cellular connection as well. So look at your phone's status bar and see if you have a good signal. If not, you can just move to a area with better reception. Finally, moving towards our settings, head over to your settings and let me just head back. There we go. Now on your settings, what you'll need to do is turn off call forwarding and check for block numbers. So what we'll do is we'll simply scroll down, head over to apps. Under apps, you will need to find your phone. So search for phone. You can scroll down till the P section and head over to phone. After you're on phone, simply scroll down. There check if call forwarding is turned on or not. If it is, simply turn off your call forwarding. After you've toggled the button off, you're good. Also check for any block numbers. What you can also do is disable silence unknown callers. So this one right here, this feature simply silences any calls from unknown numbers. So turn this off. After you've turned that off, what you can do is you can also disable Wi-Fi calling. Head over to Wi-Fi calling and disable it. And that should fix your problem. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.